In the dialog for schedule menu under management, the assignments of the project can be specified along with the associated timeline. This tool will help to track the process and individual members' responsibility for the project. This menu doesn't have to be populated right after finishing the team definition menu. It can be done after the requirement gathering phase. As shown in the screen, the schedule of Spacer Cart project had been captured into Schedule tab of the ecosystem. Each individual task has the start and end date with the expected deliverable and group members responsible. The explanations column will help the user to state the reason or problem of the given tasks when their status is not completed. The Spacer Cart example was listed as a capstone project and its schedule had to follow the required tasks and an appropriate timeline.